You are welcome to this class, and today we'll be looking at the topic systems of linear equation. Now, defining these systems of linear equation is a collection of two or more linear equations involving the same variables. So if you've been following my channel, you can search for my video on linear equation to understand what a linear equation is. So for system of linear equation, we have two linear equations here. The first equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 6, and the second equation is 4x plus 9y equal to 15. Now there are so many methods for solving system of linear equation. We'll be considering some of these methods in this video. So we'll be starting up with the first method, which is the substitution method. So we are going to be solving this system of linear equation using the substitution method. So let's start up. We have 2x plus 3y equal to 6, and we have 4x plus 9y equals to 15. For us to solve this system, it means we are expected to get the value of x and the value of y. Now, substitution method, let's take the first equation, 2x plus 3y equals to 6. We'll be making x the subject in this equation. Make s subject in equation 1. This will give us 2x equal to 6 minus 3y, and x is equal to 6 over 2 minus 3y over 2. So x is equal to 3 minus 3y over 2. Having gotten x equal to 3 minus 3y over 2, we'll be substituting for x into equation 2. Let's take this as our third equation. Substitute for x in equation 2. So equation 2 is 4x plus 9y equal to 15. But our x is 3 minus 3y over 2. So this will be 4 brackets 3 minus 3y over 2 plus 9y equal to 15. So from here, we open up this bracket. We have 4 times 3, 12 minus 4 times 3, 12y over 2 plus 9y equal to 15. So we have 12 minus 12y divided by 2, we have 6y plus 9y equal to 15. So minus 6y plus 9y, this will give us 3y equal to 15. When 12 is crossing over the equality sign, it becomes negative 12. So we have 3y equal to 15 minus 3 is 3. Y equal to 3 over 3. Y equal to 1. So having gotten 1, we then substitute this y equal to 1 into our second equation. So the second equation, remember, is y equal to 1. We have 4x. Our second equation is 4x plus 9y equal to 15. So wherever we see y, we put 1. We have 4x plus 9, y is 1, equal to 15. So now I have 4x equal to 15. This 9 crossing over, minus 9. So this will give us 4x. 15 minus 9 is 6. So x is equal to 6 over 4, which is what? 3 over 2. So we have x comma y equal to x is 3 over 2 comma 1. So we'll solve the second example under substitution method. So for the second example, under substitution method, we have 2x plus 4y equal to minus 2. That's the first equation. 3x minus 2y equal to 13. That's the second equation. So we'll be making x subject of formula from the first equation. Subject of equation 1. 2x plus 4y equal to minus 2. 2x equal to minus 2 minus 4y. This 4y crossing over the equality sign. You have x equal to minus 1 minus 2y. So having gotten our x equal to minus 1 minus 2y, we'll substitute for x into the second equation. Substitute for x into equation 2. That is 3x minus 2y equal to 13. We have 3 brackets. Our x is minus 1 minus 2y minus 2y equal to 13. So opening this bracket, we have minus 3 minus 6y minus 2y equal to 13. So minus 6 minus 2y will give us minus 8y equal to 13 plus 3. This 3 crossing over the equality sign becomes positive. So we have minus 8y equal to 13 plus 3 is 16. So we have y equal to minus 16 over 8. Y is equal to minus 2. So having gotten y equal to minus 2, we will substitute for y into any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's use equation 2, which is 3x minus 2y equal to 13. So anywhere we see y, we insert minus 2. So you have 3x minus 2 brackets y is equal to minus 2 equal to 13. 3x plus 4 equal to 13. We have 3x equal to 13 minus this 4 crossing over becomes minus 4. So 3x is equal to 9. S is equal to 9 over 3. X is equal to 3. So we have x, y is equal to 3, minus 2.